my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you lie, I know the truth. Yeah, I need to remind you.
Yeah, nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more if I'm willing to give you all me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not on you. You say I didn't want you now. Can you give me loving that I need?
Now, baby, don't go playing with my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. So far away, you'll never find my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love.
So tell me how you feel inside. I can see it in your eyes. If you're unsure, then what we gon' do? What we gon' do? All we gotta do is try. See, both ways it's a sacrifice. It ain't only about you. I need to remind you.
Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. I'm willing to give you all me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not wanting you. Can't say I didn't want you now. Can you be the love that I need?
Baby, playing with my love and don't make me regret falling in love.
Falling in love.
Search far and wide, you'll never find my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love.
Falling in love. That'll make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you lie, I know the truth. Yeah, I need to remind you.
Yeah, nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more if I'm willing to give you all me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not
waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you.
Yeah, ooh, nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more if I'm willing to give you all me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not on you. You say I didn't want you now. Can you give me loving that I need?
Now, baby, don't go playing with my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. So far away, you'll never find my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love.
So tell me how you feel inside. I can see it in your eyes. If you're unsure, then what we gon' do? What we gon' do?
All right, you guys, this is the completed look. I know y'all probably like, girl, wait, what? You just had your hair straight. But that was yesterday. I did put some curls in the hair. I did a TikTok on it. And if you guys want to see a curling video, I did these same exact curls on a different unit. So I'll link it up here so that you guys can see if you guys want like a detailed curling video. But this is what the hair looked like. I did cut it a little bit. I just clipped the ends and cut some face frame in layers so that it could really just give, you know, with the curls and everything. But I love how it came out. Like I said, kinky straight hair is my favorite texture, and as you guys can see, the melt is going crazy. Like the melt, I don't even think this is HD lace. I believe that this is transparent lace, but it's eating down. Like it's really giving scalp, y'all, like truly. So I absolutely love how this hair came out. Thank you Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful unit. Guys, if you want to purchase this unit, you can check it out in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.